Pagiging, I don't know kung pagiging sobrang humble or I don't know kung titingnan ng iba kung mayabang yun. Pero yung pera kasi natutunan ko sa mom ko, nauubos yun at nawawala. Pero yung pagmamahal mo na pinapakita mo sa, first of all, sa pamilya mo, sa mama mo. Kasi ako talagang, yun lang siguro yung napagtuunan ko na talagang sobra-sobra na nakita ko kasi yung paghihirap at na parang I don't want my children, my daughter si Crystal and my son si Nero na they will experience what I have experienced before, but of course the value should always be there. And sa lahat, siguro lahat ng magulang na naririto, they will always they will always have that kind of yung goal or yung gusto nila na kung ano may naranasan natin sa nung tayo ay naghihirap, ayaw natin makita or maranasan ng ating mga anak. So, ganun pa, and you know what made me strong for all these years? Siguro yung mga challenges and all my sacrifices in life na talaga sobra-sobra. Yung tipong siguro kung lahat ng paghihirap, parang naranasan ko na lahat. Though, I never had regrets. Sabi nga ni Mr. Juan, or ni Sir Erwin kanina, na for all these years, kailangan whatever it is, kailangan wala tayong pagsisising ginagawa. Yung challenges siguro na I had when my mother was diagnosed that she has a cancer of colon cancer. I still remember that was the year that Jollibee acquired Chowking. That was June 28, 2000, where we are having the first store in SM Manila under Sir Rafi. And we were happy having the grand opening, then all of a sudden somebody, aside from yung sa mom ko nga, na na-diagnose siya na may cancer, then yun nga, June 28, we're having this grand opening of SM Manila, the first store under Sir Rafi. When somebody called me up that my daughter, 6 months old si Crystal, naibalin ng yaya dun sa mainit na tubig. So can you imagine, my mom was in the hospital, then here you are, yung bunso ko na ibuntog naman dun sa mainit na tubig. So while having that affair dun sa Chowking, SM Manila, all I had to do is finish the grand opening, okay? And I told yung kapitbahay namin, pakidala yung daughter ko sa Lasal, sa hospital, because wala naman akong magagawa na kung magra-rush naman ako by the time kung hintayin nila ako, baka kung may nangyari pasal ako. So I made a decision. I finished the grand opening hanggang sa pag-close ng voice. Then I sent it in parang kay Sir Rafi that I have to rush and go to the hospital where my daughter is. So dalawa yung binabantayan ko during that time, June 28, na